Hello, and welcome back to another DSA question. Today, we will be looking how we can find the length of the smallest contiguous subarray whose sum is greater than x. Given an array of integers and a number x, find the length of the smallest contiguous subarray whose sum is greater than x. If no such subarray exists, return -1. The input will be an array with the following elements, and our target sum will be 51. Output will be the length of the subarray. Steps for solving this question are: Step 1. Initialize two pointers, start and end, and a variable to store the sum of the current subarray. Step 2. Expand the window by moving the end pointer, adding elements to the current sum. Step 3. Once the current sum becomes greater than x, shrink the window from the left by moving the start pointer and update the minimum length of the subarray. Step 4. Continue this until the end pointer has traversed the entire array. Time complexity for this will be O(n). Let's understand the example walkthrough. Start with start equals 0, end equals 0, and current sum equals 0. Add array 0 equals 1 to current sum. Current sum equals 1, less than 51, so move n to 1. Add array 1 equals 4 to current sum. Current sum equals 5, less than 51, so move n to 2. Add array 2 equals 45 to current sum. Current sum equals 50, less than 51, so move n to 3. Add array 3 equals 6 to current sum. Current sum equals 56, greater than 51. We update the minimum. Length to 4 and minus start plus 1 is equal to 4. Now we shrink the window by moving start. Subtract array 0 equals 1 from current sum. Current sum equals 55. Update the minimum length to 3 and start plus 1 is equal to 3. Subtract array 1 equals 4 from current sum. Current sum equals 51. Keep shrinking. Subtract array 2 equals 45 from current sum. Current sum equals 6, less than 51. Stop shrinking. Continue this process until the array is fully traversed. Let's move on to our code now, starting by adding the library and namespace statement. Then we start with our smallest subarray with some function. In it we will have min length that holds the length of the smallest subarray that satisfies the condition. It is initialized to int_max because we are looking for the minimum length. Current sum that keeps track of the sum of the current subarray as we move the end pointer. And start that marks the starting index of the subarray. We will use the for loop to traverse the array with the end pointer. This for loop will follow our steps to solve this question. If no valid subarray is found, -1 will be returned. In our main function, we will start by declaring an array and adding elements to it. Next to this step, we will calculate the value of n, that is size of the array, declaring our target sum and initializing value to it. After that, we will call our function smallest subarray with sum and add the output statements. Finally, with our return statement, we complete the code. Time for code execution. And here we got the correct output. That's a wrap for today. In the next video, we will tackle another question. Till then, keep practicing and don't forget to like and subscribe.